Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special cool orange roll cake without baking powder, baking soda. Take 3 eggs and separate egg white and egg yolk. In egg yolks, add 1 gram salt and 2 ml of vanilla extract and keep aside. Take egg white, add 90 grams of powdered sugar or granulated sugar and start to beat with mixer. The consistency should be like this as I'm showing. When you take out the mixer, you should have straight peaks, even slightly bending also fine, but peaks should not fall back to the mixture. Take egg yolk and start to beat. Now add egg yolk mixture and continue to mix till both mixtures combine well. Now take 90 grams of Maida, sift and add. Mix slowly as I'm showing in cut and fold method. When all the flour mixed well, take 30 ml of vegetable oil, 30 ml of milk in separate bowl. Take small amount of cake batter and mix with oil and milk. Add this back to cake batter and mix in cut and fold method. If we add oil and milk directly to main batter, oil will not mix well and we will not get required texture. Now in a square or rectangle cake mold, keep butter paper and pour cake batter. Now with the help of toothpick or a wooden stick, do as I'm showing. This is to remove if any air bubbles. Now tap toe 3 times and bake in preheated oven in 170 degrees 30 minutes. You can do this cake in cooker or in a big bowl. Take cooker or a bowl, pour salt and keep stand or a small bowl inside. Place the cake mold. Cake mold should not touch to the edges and bake it on medium flame 50 to 60 minutes. Don't forget to preheat for 10 minutes before keeping the mold. Now cake is baked. Take out. Look how porous is this. Now cut off the edges of all 4 sides of about 1 cm. During the baking process, the edges will become harder. If we don't cut, then our cake may break while rolling. Keep this cake aside and now we will prepare cream and oranges for this cake. For that, take 400 grams of full cream in a bowl and beat it till forms a steady peaks. Add 100 grams of honey and continue to beat. Now add 50 ml of orange juice with pulp and orange food color and continue to beat. You can skip orange color if you don't want. Keep the cream in freezer for 1 hour. This cream will not be thick like ice cream as we add orange juice and honey. Take 4 oranges, peel the skin and cut off white out layer. From that, take 1 orange and cut into half moon shape pieces for decoration. Take out the cream from refrigerator and apply to the cake. Now place the oranges on the cake as I'm showing. Apply the cream to the gaps between oranges. Roll the cake slowly and apply the remaining cream on the top and sides. Refrigerate the cake for 1 hour. Don't keep in freezer. Oranges will become iced and will not taste good for eating. After 1 hour, take out and decorate it with sliced orange pieces and enjoy. If you like this video, give thumbs up. If you don't like, click the dislike button. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.